Nothing like mudding in my Camry.
Just going through some mud.
No, it's just a little mud trail. It ain't nothing major. I'm actually surprised it's doing so good, but we're sliding all around and it's a little bit of fun, so fuck it. As long as no cars pop up over this fucking hill as I'm going up it.
Oh! First tail back down. 96 Toyota Camry. What, front wheel drive?
Yeah, it's front wheel drive. This shit is slippery as fuck, but it's actually, I'm surprised this shit's doing so good. Ah. Whee!
Oh, that messed with me a little bit. Whee! Oh, oh god. Yeah, I'd rather not turn around.
A front wheel drive is actually so much easier to drive in mud with because all I gotta do is pull this e-brake and then hit the gas and we're gonna go wherever the tires are spinning.
Yeah.
You just gotta know how to fucking drive. A lot of people don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boing. I wonder how much mud is on there.
It's like we go, there's just a shitload of mud on the side of the car.
Wow. Smacked my head.
Oh, that's it.
We found the pavement. Let's see.
There's probably no mud on the car.
I don't know. We'll find out after. Can't see the video. Alright.